Children, there are two terms now, equally likely events and equally likely outcomes. We need to understand what are these two, right? What are these two? We will be understanding that now. The point is equally likely. If you just read the word equal, equally is equal, barabar, right? And likely, most likely, I will be going there. Likely means chances, most likely. There are chances I will be going there. So equally likely events are there and equally likely outcomes. Okay? First of all, let us understand equally likely events. So any two events, any two or more events, दो भी हो सकते हैं बेटा, दो से ज्यादा भी. Any two events having opportunity to be a part of activity. Simple words में I am writing. This is not a technical definition, but I am giving you in simple words. Any two events having opportunity to be a part of activity are called equally likely events. For example, children, let us take example of our class, class 10. Let us say there are 30 boys and 20 girls in the class. Let us say there are 30 boys and 20 girls in a class. I'm coming to the class and making an announcement that children, there is a topic I'm giving you. On this topic, you have to write an article. And the best entry will be given chance to take part in the national level quiz. Okay, I'm just quoting an example. Now, does it mean that since there are more number of boys in the class, so only a boy will be selected for that?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Like so? No, na? Because the competition is open for all. It hardly matters whether there are 30 boys and 20 girls or whatever the number is. It is an individual competition. It is an individual competition. So here, the event of selecting a girl, and the event of selecting a boy, both are equally likely event क्योंकि दोनों के chances है. Both are equally likely. Both are expected to be the winner. It doesn't depend on the number of anything. Whose number is more, whose number is less. It has nothing to do with that. Are you getting my point? Even suppose there are 49 girls in a class and just one boy in the class. Does it mean that definitely girl is going to be the winner?
No, ma'am.
No.
That one boy can also write the best of the article on the given topic and be selected for the quiz. Yes, beta. So equally likely event means the chances of both the मतलब two or more events जो भी उसमें activities हो रही हैं all have equal opportunity irrespective of the number of that particular activity. ठीक है? And here equally likely outcome. As I am using the term outcome, outcome means chances, cases. If we have any two activities whose probability is same, we will say that they have equally likely outcome, otherwise not. So if I have 20 girls and 30 boys, what is the probability of girl winning?
20 by 50.
20 by
20 by 50?
20 by 20.
And what is the probability that the boy is going to win?
30 by 50.
30 by 50.
Which is 2 by 5. And here it is going to be
3 by
3
5.
by 5.
3 by 5.
Are these two probabilities equal?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. If probabilities are equal, we will call them equally likely outcome, otherwise not. Equally likely outcomes means that probability of all elementary events must be same. We discussed about elementary events, children. The different events of the same activity. If all the elementary events have equal probability, the outcomes will be equally likely. Outcome means simple answer, probability, right? But event means equally likely event. Means all the activities which have got opportunity to be a part of that. So I suppose all the events are equally likely events, क्योंकि हम कभी भी किसी एक event को discard तो नहीं कर रहे. Every event has a opportunity to shine, to be selected. So all the events are equally likely, children, but all the outcomes are not equally likely. For example, if I'm tossing a coin, what is the probability of getting a head?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by
And what is the probability of getting a tail?
1 by 2.
by 2.
Are both the probabilities same? Half half?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are the outcomes equally likely?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Outcomes are equally likely. Now let me take one example with you. Suppose I am having a bag in which 3 red, 4 yellow, and let's say 2 green and 1 blue pen is there. 3 red, 4 yellow, 2 green, 1 blue pen is there. Is getting a red pen, getting a yellow pen, getting a green pen, getting a blue pen, are these events equally likely?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Are equally likely. All the elementary events are always equally likely. You cannot say कि since there is only one blue pen, वो तो आएगा ही नहीं भाई कभी भी. और yellow pen ज़्यादा है number में, तो all the time we will be getting yellow pen in the draw. Is it so? It may happen then in the first draw itself you may get a blue pen. है ना बेटा? So we have given equal opportunity to all the 4 colors. So event is equally likely. But are the outcomes equally likely? क्या
No, ma'am.
उनकी
No, ma'am.
probability भी equally
No, ma'am.
likely है? No.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Probability is not equally likely. Chances किसके ज़्यादा है आने के? Yellow color के. That is another thing. So outcomes are not equally likely, but events are equally likely. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the example is tossing a coin. Tossing a coin to get head or tail. Event is equally likely. Also outcomes are equally likely. Event भी equally likely है और outcomes भी equally likely. Is that okay, children?